Welcome back, students. This is part 2 of our Intro to Canvas. We're almost done. We've got a good start here. Let's just finish off what's in the modules, and I'll show you what else you want to use the Canvas page for. All right, so we left off, we were looking at the essay modules. So the first one, your class orientation, gives you, your syllabus, your assignments, resources, books, which are free in this class. You don't have to buy anything. The next module there are the lectures, but we were past that, so let's go ahead and skip ahead. So we got Essay 4, Week 4. That's right there. And as you can see, the modules all follow the same basic structure. Points, anything worth points at the top, sample essays, lectures, mainly for this one, it's just that one. There's just one. Readings, and some of those are actually readings that are for the free writes as well, so that's just makes that easier. Those overlap. Videos, resources. The resources in here are really good. I've made most of these myself. I would certainly look at the rhetorical terms. That's going to be your best friend with module for essay 4, as well for essay 3. Kind of the same thing, but it's called film terminology. Same thing. That document there is going to be your best friend with essay 3. Get to know those documents well, and they will serve you well on the essay. Basically, like the key to being successful on those. The research paper, the last week, you have the research paper itself. You got the rough draft, and I'll move the proposal letter. Oh, no, I'm cutting the proposal. I never do that, but yeah, over winter, I think I decided I would cut it for lack of time. Okay, so it'll be just these two. That's it. Sample is there. Lecture is here. There's one main lecture, which is there. Some corresponding video lectures. These I put together, the 3 ways to make researching simple. Those are actually pretty good. I would check those out actually early on. I would check those out like week 1. Like those, I would start. Those are some of the things I would start with. These researching videos, because the researching skill is something that's going to be useful throughout the course. It's not just something that, oh, when we get to the research paper, it's helpful there too, obviously. That's why it's there. But, free writes. Okay, so all the free writes that we're going to do during this term, I think I cut it down. I cut it down to 25. It was. I kept playing around with the number. I'm sorry. I didn't. I don't mean to be confusing. It's 25. We're going to do 25 of them. And if you click on here right now, you'll see that it is updated, and there are just 25 of them. If you checked yesterday, you'll have noted that number was somewhere between 28 and 30. So anyway, it's 25. I'm sorry, I don't mean it to be confusing there. I just hadn't quite narrowed it down to what I wanted it to be until now. So there you go. 25. They're all right there. The free writes themselves are half-page to one-page assignments, and they're short writing assignments that go along with each essay. They're due at the end of the term. I would do them like one each day, or say Monday through Thursday or Monday through Friday. Like do a little free write. I am going to go through here and make sure the page numbers, those are probably off now because I made some changes. So I'll make sure the page numbers, I'll make sure the resources here correspond to the right page number. That's very easy to do. I will go ahead and do that this week. You have your additional lectures, which are here. Those include both printed lectures and audio or video lectures as well. Your materials, lots of stuff in both of those that are extremely useful. Transfer information, transfer resources, lots of good stuff there. Okay, it got some extra readings and extra videos. I don't use most of these, but if you find them helpful, they're there. Then there's the grammar section, which has the grammar lecture, the videos, and the practice quizzes, as well as the readings. That's basically the course. There's a section on revision, section on MLA format. There's a module on extra credit. Okay. As a student, you might be tempted to view the course through assignments, and that should look pretty clean and easy to do. You got your essays there, research, which, like I said, I'm going to cut this one for this class. There, that's gone. You got your quizzes, everything's dated correctly. Okay. Yeah, everything looks good there. So you can access assignments this way. You can turn in assignments this way. You can turn in assignments through assignments or through the modules themselves. I'd say probably through assignments is the easiest way to do it. If I were looking at this from your perspective, and I'm say looking at essay one, that's how you would submit it. It's right there. All right. That's basically it. The other major part of the course are the discussions. They're really easy. They're not like, oh, it's a big deal, but it's a consistency thing. Like you want to do, I think, 2 per week. That's it. So I'm not asking for much. They're mainly just so we can talk and you can talk to each other, and that we can just, you know, they're mainly reflective tools that we're going to use to think about the pandemic experience and little else. So I hope you'll find them very enjoyable and, of course, easy. They are very easy. The discussions are right there. Like I said, do 2 per week, and they're say between 1 and 4 sentences per post. Nothing more than that. You got your grade section here. You can see people are already turning in discussions, which are great. Of course, you'll access your grades. I'm not going to look at it here because that be a violation of privacy and so forth. So we're not going to look at it together. The syllabus is on the modules. You don't have to look at it there. Just look at it on the module page. And then the other thing, actually, I'll make two last things here. So the quizzes, all the quizzes for the course, you can find in 2 places. You can actually just look here, right under assignments, or you can look under quizzes. Either way, the quizzes are there in either one of those 2 places, under assignments or under quizzes. There are 4 quizzes and we have 5 weeks. So basically just do them in order. If you need it to be reopened, just let me know. It's really no big deal. I'll probably, like I said, I mentioned this in an announcement. I'll be reopening them all anyway. So just let me know what you need. That's basically it. And then for today's meeting, which we'll have in a few minutes, I might push it back a few minutes because it's almost 1 right now. But we'll do the Tech Connect Zoom. We'll do a little office hour. So I will be opening that up here in, say, about 20 minutes or so. And we'll do a little office hour in case you have any questions. All right, so that's it for today and the little rundown of our Canvas page. Please let me know if you have any questions. And you can, of course, reach me right here in the inbox. That's a good way to do it. Or via email at rdefrance@lbcc.edu. Have a great day. Thank you.